Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot unlock your Galaxy A27 using your lock screen pattern. So the best decision in such case would be reaching out to Samsung customer support service. As far as I know, they are pretty active, so if you just prove the ownership of your device to them by, for example, showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this smartphone, they'll be able to help you out with your issue and help you unlock your smartphone without removing any data from it. And if you cannot do that for any reason, then if you have an alternative way to unlock your smartphone, for example using fingerprint scanner or face unlock, you can access your device and back up all the important data from your smartphone, for example to your PC by connecting it via the USB cable, or also using Google Cloud services or any other cloud services that you trust. And then we're gonna have to perform a factory reset operation, and we have two options to do that, basically three, but I'm gonna tell you about one of them in just one piece. The first one is remote factory reset operation, which is possible if you have either a Google or a Samsung account set up on your smartphone. Then, depending on which kind of account you have set up on your smartphone, you're gonna have to either go to the Google Find Hub website or Samsung Find My Device website. Of course, you can go to this website using any other device that you have. So I'm just gonna be showing you this on this smartphone. So let's search for Google Find Hub. Open this website, then sign in. In case of Find Hub website, you have to sign in using your Google account. In case of Samsung Find My Device, you have to sign in using your Samsung account. Then you're gonna have to select your Galaxy A27 on the list. Let's pretend that this is it. And here you're gonna have to select Factory Reset Device and confirm. This will perform the remote factory reset operation, after which your device will be reset to its factory defaults, and you're gonna have to set up your device once again, and then if you prepared a backup, you'll be able to restore your important data from it. Now, the other way to perform factory reset operation on your device is locally, and in order to perform factory reset operation locally, you're gonna need to access the recovery mode, and in order to access it, you're gonna have to connect your device to your computer using the USB-C cable. So your computer can either use USB-C ending or USB-A ending, doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you connect this cable both to your computer and your smartphone at once. And after that, we're gonna have to force restart our smartphone by holding down power button and volume down key until the screen of the smartphone goes off, like this. Then you're gonna need to press and hold power button and volume up key together. Just keep holding them until recovery mode appears on your screen. Now it's gonna take a while. And once you see the recovery mode on your screen, use up and down arrow keys to navigate here. To perform factory reset operation, navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset using your volume keys and power button to select. Then select Factory Data Reset, select with your power button. This will perform factory reset operation on your smartphone, of course. And then you're gonna be returned back to this menu where you're gonna have to select Reboot System Now and let your smartphone restart. Now this restart will take a while, since during the restart all the data stored on your device locally will be erased from it. And after that, you're gonna need to set up your device once again. Now there is also one additional possibility. to unlock your smartphone, which will only work in case you do remember your pattern, but for some reason you cannot unlock your smartphone. Sometimes it happens because your smartphone is lagging because of some third-party application that affects the way that your lock screen behaves. This is a very rare occurrence, but let's not forget about it. So let's restart our smartphone to the safe mode, which will eliminate any background activities and third-party applications that may affect the way our lock screen behaves. So to restart the smartphone into the safe mode, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down key once again. And once your smartphone shuts down, I think it did. Yep, it seems so. Once your smartphone shuts down, you just have to press and hold the volume down button and keep holding it until you see your smartphone restarting. It should restart, and you should be able, when it restarts, you should be able to see safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now I'm just gonna be keeping, I'm just gonna be holding this volume down key and waiting until the smartphone is restarted. Okay, so once it is restarted and you see the safe mode indicator, you can stop holding down the volume down button. And after that, let's try to re-enter the pattern. And next, before trying to figure out which kind of application could have caused this issue, let's first of all remove the lock screen pattern by going to Settings, then Security and Privacy, then Lock Screen, enter your password once again and select either Swipe or None. Remove data, and after that restart your smartphone normally by pressing volume down and power button together, select Restart, and let your smartphone reboot. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.